Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You've already seen me with this makeup look because I've just created it, but today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I created a hair look for a wedding. I'll insert a picture. You can't really see my hair too well in the picture. But I've had so many people asking me how I did it, and I thought it'd be great to jump on camera and kind of show you. Hopefully I'll get this right. My hair's been freshly washed, so it's kind of soft, but I'm going to give it a go. So all you need for this tutorial is a hairbrush, a comb, about 5 bobby pins, some hairspray, and a curling wand. Right, so let's get into it. So usually this is better on probably a day old hair, because when your hair's just a little bit greasier, it's easier to work with, especially with something like this, but we're gonna do our best. So the first thing that we're going to do, I'm gonna brush my hair out. I've got a mirror here, by the way, so if I'm looking there, it's because it's easier for me to see what I'm doing. You also need some clips, and it literally is just for this section right here. So you're going to take your comb, you're going to split your hair down the front, so you need to have like your hair like this, so you can see that gap right there, a bit more hair in that, like so, and then you're literally going to clip that back and then do the same on this side. This is like perfect hairstyle for a wedding or like a special occasion. If you want to look, you know, like you want a classic kind of elegant look, this is really easy to do. I say that now, but my hair is really soft, so. Right, so you should have the same amount of hair both sides, so it's down your face, like so. So now those two pieces are separated out, we've got to do some manoeuvring here. So you're going to take one clip out, literally take a slight bit of hair, like so. Try not to get them mixed up. Obviously you don't want it to go in the front bit of hair here. You're literally going to just back comb it with the comb. And it's going to look messy at first, it's going to stick out everywhere, but it's fine. You literally just want to take just a slight section. It's not all the hair, probably just so you've got still some covering your ear slightly. And like when you're doing a half down do, just take that amount of hair. You'll see why. You'll see why. I'm just going to back comb it like so. And it's literally going to be really messy right now. So it looks like that. You see how it's all separated? And then what we're going to do is just take some hairspray. This is Gary's hairspray, by the way. Usually I would use Tony and Guy, but I've run out, and I'm literally just going to spray the front and back of the hair. We're going to do the same on the other side, so keep it away from the front sections. You're going to take a small amount to begin with, and we're just going to back comb it. You might want to take the sections together, back comb them together, because we really want to create like that poof in the hair. And obviously it's completely up to you how poofy you want your hair to be. But I like my hair to be like quite poofy. I did used to have a back combing brush, but I can't remember where it went. So, but a comb will do just fine. And then what I'm going to do is just spray this bit as well. So it kind of looks like you've been dragged through a hedge. But then what we're going to do is take the first section of back combed hair and your bobby pins. So you're not going to do anything with the mess. You're just going to leave it as it is, and we're going to just literally take this bit of hair and with your fingers gently just manoeuvre into place. You just want to pull it back, lift it up, and then you're going to take your bobby pin and just put it into place like so. See how you've now got your half down here, your poof there, your front section here. And we're going to do the same on the other side. This bit needs backcombing a bit more. So we're going to take your bobby pin, pull the hair back, pin into place. So already you're creating that poof on. It's still a mess, but we can fix that. So you're going to just gently run your fingers through this bit, like so. And then I'm just going to grip all of that into place before I do anything with the little beehive on top. So I'm going to just take a bobby pin again and just keep pinning the hair down until it's sturdy. And you'll know when it's sturdy because it already feels it now, but you literally just don't want any hair to come out. So I use about 5 bobby pins. Now that's all pinned into place, I'm just going to take some more hairspray, quickly spritz it, and then we're going to sort out the poof. So you can see it's still slightly messy. You're just going to get the comb and just gently comb it back. Just lightly, you don't want to do anything too drastic. So it's still going to be slightly backcombed in some places, but you just want it to be as neat as you possibly can get it. So you may just even want to use your fingers just to kind of like pull certain hair down to make it a bit neater, like so. So there's your poof, that's my poof. You can make it a bit bigger if you want to push it up more, you can definitely do that. That's just like a nice amount for me, like so. And now we're going to curl the ends of the hair. So I'm going to split it at the back into 2, and then we're going to take our curling wand. So the first thing that we're going to do is probably do the first front 2 bits. So you don't want to leave your hair in the curling tong for too long. So you're going to take it, get it in, wrap it round twice, and literally just brush it out. So you get like a certain flick, but you don't get a curl. I'll show you again. So you're going to take it, put it in, wrap it round, and let go. So it just flicks it back and gives it just a little bit more of a wave. And then we're going to take just bits of hair, wrap it round, leave it for about 5 seconds, let it go. So you get like a nice wave. And just do that with the rest of your hair. And if you wonder what colour I'm using the GHD Curve, but just use whatever thick curler that you have. I'm just going to redo the front bit because I think it needs a bit more. There we go, that's better. So it floats off your face. Right, now once you've got the waves that you want, so that's enough for me, you're going to get your hairspray one last time and just gently spritz. I would spray your little poof just slightly a bit more, like so. And that is how you get this really nice, elegant, wavy, half up, half down poof do. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I don't usually do hair tutorials, but you guys have been loving it, so I'm all for anything you guys love. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!